Hello everyone, welcome to Sally and Bytes. Let's discover the fascinating world of machine learning and understand how computers mimic human learning processes to make predictions, recognize patterns, and solve complex problems. In a regular day in our life, when you wake up with the automatic curtains and lighting in your room controlled by AI, your smart alarm wakes you up at the perfect time, presents the day's temperature and calendar events, integrating essential information into your morning routine. As you brew your morning coffee, your coffee maker adjusts the brewing parameters based on your past preferences. Your navigation app guides you through the fastest route based on real-time traffic data. Food delivery apps suggest restaurants and dishes tailored to your tastes and past orders. That's right. All thanks to the type of artificial intelligence AI called machine learning. Both artificial intelligence and machine learning are the branches of computer science. Machines learn in a similar manner in which humans learn.
I can learn everything automatically from experiences. Can you learn?
Yes, I can also learn from past data with the help of machine learning.
How humans learn. Humans perceive, analyze, remember, retrieve, and decide based on sensory input, then act accordingly, observing outcomes, analyzing, and remembering them for future reference. How to train machines. A computer needs a lot of information to ensure that it recognizes things accurately. Machines need to be trained to make decisions and to act based on goals. To make the machine learn, first we need to see the capability of the machine. Cameras for capturing images. Receivers for capturing sound. Converters and speakers to produce sound. We can provide them with sensing devices that can act like skin, eyes, ears, mouth, and noses. Some of these are called sensors. Sensors are man-made, artificial devices, usually made of specific materials and connected using electronic signals. They sense chemicals, waves, light, and other things and interpret them. So, what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning is to enable machines to learn by themselves using the provided data and make accurate algorithms for predictions or decisions. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. It's based on the idea that computers can learn from historical experiences, make vital decisions, and predict future happenings without human intervention. Machine learning is a type of AI you probably interact with every day without even knowing it. Email filters, autocomplete text, video recommendations, digital assistants, voice recognitions, translation apps. Think about your email inbox. Sometimes, good emails go to spam, and spam emails sneak into your inbox. That's where machine learning comes in. It helps decide which emails are spam and which are important. It's not perfect though, sometimes it makes mistakes. But overall, it's a small-scale example of how machine learning works. And things are changing fast. Now what we are seeing in machine learning in our day-to-day life is little more advanced. Machine learning is how computers recognize patterns and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is behind product suggestions on e-commerce sites, your movie suggestions on Netflix, and so many more things. The computer is able to make these suggestions and predictions by learning from your previous data input and past experiences. Imagine you have a robot. Usually, when you tell your robot what to do, you have to give it very specific instructions, like walk forward 10 steps or turn left at the corner. But with machine learning, your robot can start to figure things out by itself. What we are trying to teach with the machine. It's similar to teaching your pet dog a new trick. You show it what to do, it learns over time, and eventually, it can do the trick without needing step-by-step instructions. In the same way, with machine learning, the robot can look at lots of examples and figure out what to do without someone telling it every single step. with machine learning instead of programming a computer step by step. You can program a computer just like you learn through trial and error and lots of practice. In the future, some worry that AI and machine learning will replace programmers, much like the fear surrounding computers in the past. However, just as computers created more jobs, the evolution of technology will likely do the same. So, while the role of programmers may change, there will still be a need for them in the future. Learning comes from experience, and that's true for machine learning too. And in this case, experience means lots and lots of data. Machine learning can take any type of data, images, text, video, audio, and begin to recognize patterns in that data. Once it learns to recognize patterns in the data, it can also learn to make predictions based on those patterns. Once predictions are made, machine learning can continuously refine its understanding, adapting to new data and evolving its predictive capabilities. Like noticing the difference between an image of a dog and an image of a cat. Let's learn about the types of machine learning. Supervised learning task-driven, unsupervised learning data-driven, reinforcement learning learn from errors. Supervised machine learning models are trained with labeled datasets, which allow the models to learn and grow more accurate over time. For example, an algorithm would be trained with pictures of dogs, cats all labeled by humans, and the machine would learn ways to identify pictures of dogs, cats on its own. For example, let's look at your favorite pet dog and a pet cat. Is there a way to explain to a machine how to distinguish from a cat and a dog? Yes, you can feed the machine with lots and lots of pictures of cats and dogs, teaching the machine to build up a model based on these examples. This is what we term as supervised machine learning. We get the machine's examples of each animal, showing its features, and machine learns how to differentiate between a dog and a cat. This way it can recognize your favorite dog and the cat. Classification and regression are the types of supervised learning. The most popular algorithms used in supervised learning are decision tree, naive Bayes, linear regression, SVM. Examples of supervised learning are email filters, price prediction, image recognition, fraud detection. In unsupervised machine learning, a program looks for patterns in unlabeled data. Unsupervised machine learning can find patterns or trends that people aren't explicitly looking for. The algorithm is never trained on the given dataset. It has no knowledge what the dataset's characteristics are. Therefore, the machine is restricted to find the hidden structure in unlabeled data by itself. Example: you can use unsupervised learning to examine the animal data that has been gathered and distinguish between several groups according to the traits and actions of the animals. These groupings might correspond to various animal species, providing you to categorize the creatures without depending on labels that already exist. The machine tries to get a huge amounts of data, many pictures of animals in our example, starts segregating them by color, size, and shape. Such an approach is known as unsupervised learning. Clustering and association are the types of unsupervised learning. Some of the algorithms used in unsupervised learning are k-means, hierarchical, a priori, genetic algorithm. Examples of unsupervised learning. E-commerce websites like Amazon use clustering algorithms to implement a user-specific recommendation system. Anomaly detection is the identification of rare items, events, or observations, which brings suspicions by differing significantly from the normal data. One important example of this is credit card fraud detection. You might have heard about a lot of events related to credit card fraud. This problem is now solved using anomaly detection techniques in machine learning. The system detects unusual credit card transactions to prevent fraud. Reinforcement learning. An intelligent agent interacts with the environment and learns to operate within that environment through reinforcement learning. It's very similar to our children learning. When you are a child, you will be rewarded for good deed, punished for making mistakes. This reinforces you to become better than before. In the same way, users, just like parents, teach a machine where it made a mistake and where it was right. Thus the machine makes it intelligent and can make better decisions in the future, because of the reinforcement. In reinforcement machine learning, the machine learns by itself after making many mistakes and correcting them. Examples of reinforcement learning. Pac-Man is a well-known and simple example. Pac-Man's, the agent of the model, goal is to eat the food in the grid, the environment of the model, but not get killed by the ghost. Pac-Man is rewarded when it eats food and loses the game when it is killed. Industrial automation and robotics. Reinforcement learning helps industrial applications and robotics to gain the skills themselves for performing their tasks. Traffic control systems. Reinforcement learning is used for real-time decision-making and optimization for traffic control activities. There are existing projects such as the project to support air traffic control systems. Resources management systems. Reinforcement learning is used to distribute limited resources to the activities and to reach the goal of resource usage. Advertising. Reinforcement learning supports businesses and marketers to create personalized content and recommendations. Autonomous vehicles utilize advanced sensors and AI algorithms to navigate roads independently, promising safer and more efficient transportation. By integrating technologies like machine learning and computer vision, these vehicles can interpret their surroundings and make real-time decisions. One of the major challenges of self-driving cars is their interaction with pedestrians and other moving objects. Some more applications of machine learning. Machine learning revolutionizes news reading, powering summarization, sentiment analysis, and fake news detection. Reviews of restaurant, medical diagnosis. Machine learning and education. Educational institutions are using machine learning in many new ways, such as grading students' work and exams more accurately. ML can also help improve students' performance. Researchers are already working on machine learning algorithms which are able to predict whether students will fail or pass a course. These algorithms help schools and teachers focus on helping failing students to increase their chances for success. Let's see the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is the study of how to train computers so that computers can do things which at present humans can do better. Machine learning is the learning in which a machine can learn on its own without being explicitly programmed. Artificial intelligence performs tasks that require human intelligence. Machine learning helps machines to learn certain things on their own. The aim of the artificial intelligence is to increase the chance of success and not accuracy. And the aim of machine learning is to increase accuracy, but it does not care about success. Artificial intelligence works as a computer program that does smart work. And machine learning is a simple concept machine that takes data and learns from data. Artificial intelligence is decision-making and machine learning allows systems to learn new things from data. Children who acquire machine learning skills open doors to a world of exciting and impactful career paths in diverse tech and non-tech industries like healthcare, finance, and technology. Careers such as data scientists, healthcare professionals, ML engineers, and medical researchers use machine learning that offers them a chance to push the boundaries of innovation and work on cutting-edge projects and advancements accurately and with ease. The average annual salary ranges from around $80,000 to well over $150,000. How can you get started with machine learning? Programming languages used for machine learning include Python, Java, R, and C++. Machine learning platforms help you carry out machine learning procedures from beginning to the end. They provide you with the tools to develop and deploy machine learning algorithms. Examples include Jupyter Notebook, IBM Watson Studio, RStudio, KNIME, Azure ML Studio, and so many others. Machine learning libraries in Python include scikit-learn, PyTorch, and JSAT used in Java. Before delving into Python libraries like scikit-learn and PyTorch, it's essential to master Python fundamentals. Start with my YouTube series, Getting Started with Python, to build a strong foundation. These basics are crucial for understanding and effectively utilizing advanced libraries, ensuring success in machine learning and data science. Along with computer languages, understanding math fundamentals is crucial. The mathematical bedrock of machine learning includes linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. In a world fueled by machine learning, let's equip young minds with the power to code their own destiny and create a future where innovation knows no limits. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, the future is yours to create.